Hey everybody, Joey here, again, with Joey's Garage. Today, I'm going to do another product testing. Everybody's always asking, why are you testing so many products? Why don't you get working in your garage? The truth is, I have so many things going on and so many chores, it's hard to get in my garage to work when I have so much other things to do. And that's why I find these products, hoping that it will help me out and make it less work. So today, I was able to find this at the car store. Outlast. It's an ArmorAll. It's a rim protectant. All you have to do is wash your car, let it dry the rims, spray this on here, and it's going to get rid of all those all that brake dust that build up. Because for some reason my Escape, it has a lot of brake dust that builds up on it, and it is a pain in the butt to clean up. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and wash the Escape. I'll let the rims dry. I'm going to spray this on, the protectant, and we'll see if it works. Alright. So the rim is clean, it's dry, it's ready for the brake dust repellent. All I gotta do is shake it up and spray it onto the rim. Good coat. And there we go. From here, it's gonna see if it works. So I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Eventually.
2 weeks later, the results are in. And you can see the beard's got a little bit longer, but this ArmorAll Outlast brake dust repellent, it's failed. I was really hoping it would actually work, because I hate cleaning off those rims, I hate cleaning off that brake dust, but as I cut to the one that had the repellent applied to it, you can see there's a couple spots of brake dust that are building up right now. It's coming back, and I cut to the one that didn't have it applied. It looks exactly the same. I really hope that it would work. I hate cleaning off those rims, as I said. It's a pain in the butt. It's not too bad with the magic eraser, but you still have to do it when you clean the car. So, I hope everybody liked the video. Subscribe, like, and always ride safe and keep two wheels on the road.